In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your birthday in your Google account. We'll walk through the process from the Google homepage, and I'll share a few helpful tips so everything is clear and straightforward. Start by opening your web browser. The one you use every day is perfect. In the address bar, type google.com and press enter to load the Google homepage. Before going any further, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Look at the top right corner of the page. If you see your profile picture or your initial insider circle, you're signed in. If you see a sign in button, go ahead and sign in so you can access your account settings. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon in the top right. A small menu will appear. Choose Manage Your Google Account. This opens your main account dashboard in a new page or tab. On this account page, find the menu on the left and select Personal Info. This section contains the basic details tied to your account. Scroll down until you see the birthday area under the basic info heading. Click birthday to open the editor. Now adjust your birth date to the correct month, day, and year. You can type it in or use the drop-down selectors depending on what's shown on your screen. Take a moment to confirm the format matches what's displayed and double check for typos before you save. Some Google features and content are age-based, so entering your accurate birth date ensures your settings and experiences are appropriate for your account. In some regions, you may be asked to confirm your identity before changes can be applied. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. When the date looks correct, click Save. You should see a brief confirmation or the updated date reflected in the birthday field. Sometimes the page may take a moment to refresh. That's expected. If you accidentally selected the wrong date, you can return to the same place and update it again, though frequent changes might be limited. While you're on this page, you may also notice visibility controls next to your basic info. Those settings can let you choose who can see your birthday. Adjusting visibility is optional and separate from changing the date itself, but it's useful if you prefer to keep details private. That's it, the update is complete. To recap, we opened a browser, went to google.com, signed in, clicked the profile icon, selected Manage Your Google Account, opened the Personal Info tab, scrolled to Birthday, made the change, and saved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and confidently update your birthday.